even, even like, the trainers that I've, I'm close with at the gym, they can also see, the difference in, my level of happiness when I'm in the gym, you know. So it's paying off. My name's Greg. I've been a personal trainer at the gym group for just over 2 years now. So initially, I saw Alex's ad on Facebook. Something about it really spoke to me. Kind of on a similar level to what I've been doing. And I was kind of just in the gym and not really knowing, how to approach people, how to sell. The thing is with, the personal training courses is, they give you excellent advice on how to actually coach people, but the missing ingredient is actually having to approach people and actually learning how to sell really. So I've been working for Alex for about 4 weeks now. And step by step, he's taken me through a system, a foolproof system at that, to generate leads, to learn how to convert them, and actually to develop and build relationships and retain those clients as well. So Alex, I can't thank you enough for the level of confidence that you've given me, and just having a system in place to follow strategically, and so you're not kind of constantly second guessing yourself, and are you doing this right, are you doing that, and yeah, I can't thank him enough for how much he's helped my business. I'm actually proud to say that I can actually start to call it a business, because before, I would occasionally pick up a taster here and there, but it wasn't like a system that I was following, and I was constantly going alone really.